2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.